Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. Got another Nature Valley granola type bar. This is the protein chewy bar, and the flavor is peanut butter dark chocolate. So that sounds really good to me. 10 grams of protein and is gluten free. With semi-sweet chocolate chips. Roasted peanuts, chicory root extract, semi-sweet chocolate chips. And in those semi-chocolate chips, you have sugar, chocolate liquor. Always trips me out when I see chocolate liquor. Cocoa butter, soy lecithin, and natural flavor. Got some vegetable oil in there. Corn or sugar, corn syrup, whey protein concentrate, fructose, peanut butter, cocoa, natural flavor. Okay, gluten free. All right, let's check this thing out. Nice appearance of dark chocolate on the bottom part there. Nice aroma of dark chocolate. Smells really good. Get the nice aroma of peanut butter on the top. The appearance looks good. Got the visible little mini chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Got some peanuts. You got the oats. Got a nice shine on there of the fructose corn syrup, or gloss of, I think it wouldn't be peanut butter, but I don't visibly see the peanut butter, but it might be in a melted type concoction that's been drizzled over it, or it might be a top layer of the bottom part of the dark chocolate or something. Okay. A little chewiness. Nice peanut butter taste in the peanuts. A little roastiness in there from the peanuts. Dark chocolate now. And the semi-sweet chocolate chips on top. The chocolate chips are darker than what the bottom layer is, where I was smelling dark chocolate. The dark chocolate is a darker color. So, something weird. I mean, I'm getting the dark chocolate from the bottom part, but no. Semi-sweet chocolate chips, so you'd think they're just plain chocolate chips. Anyway, very good. I'm not going to have you just watch me eat this whole thing. Nice breakfast bar. Nice filler there of an empty spot. Goes good with coffee, that peanut butter and chocolate. Okay. Well, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know if you've tried the Nature Valley Protein Bar, Chewy Bar, peanut butter and dark chocolate, and let me know what you thought of it. Okay? Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.